Hey guys, so right now I'm shooting the video of me installing the new Torsion Axles onto my trailer, but I didn't feel right showing me installing them and not taking them off. This video you're about to watch was shot at the earlier part of the year. It does end abruptly, but you get the gist of what's going on in the video. If you make it to the end of the video, I want you to know I appreciate you. I thank you for watching, and you can support me by watching the next one of my videos. Thank you.
Your boom pineapple wine, your $1.50 all the time.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take off the hub buddy, or the hubcap. That usually keeps all the oil in. And yes, this is a baby's blanket. I don't have a mic, so if you can't hear me, I'm just using the camera's mic. Hopefully I'll be getting one soon. Forgot to put on my gloves. So the next thing we want to do is to take off the cotter pin, or take out the cotter pin. I'm not trying to save these because I'll be replacing these once I service the hubs. Castle nut retainer. So with the nut off, we should be able to pull the tire and the hub off in one go. Take this out. It looks a little bit rusty, so I'll be replacing that one time. It'll just get you out the way. Just want to definitely be replacing the hub, the bearings, cotter pin, the grease. It looks like water was getting on inside this one. The whole hub is rusty. I might could just sand it down and spray it again, depending on how the inside looks. Alright, now we should be able to lock it off in one go. Let's get you out the way, buddy. Okay, now that we have both tire and hub off the axles, we're gonna attempt to loosen up those bolts right there. nuts and bolts and see if we can drop both axles. We're gonna loosen up those nuts on each side of the trailer. Alright, so let me get the camera set up and then we'll make our first attempt. So we're gonna attempt to take these off. Hopefully the crescent wrench would lock and allow me to just spin from the bottom. Okay guys, the easiest way I found to do this is with a breaker bar. Those nuts and bolts are seized on there, and the little bit of corrosion that is around the nut, the trailer and the bolt is just hard to break. So I'm going to attempt to use just a whole piece of iron off of the guard holes for the trailer and use it as a breaker bar just to try to see if it can crack those nuts. I did it on the other side, so hopefully it works on this side. These nuts are 15, 16, so I went with the big guns. The rust is the only thing that's stopping me from getting this nut on the side. Let me see if I can get a screwdriver and chip some of that off. Found the file. See if I can give you an idea of what I'm looking at. Focus. That's where the nut is hiding. I can barely get my socket in there. Alright, I got the socket on there. I'm just using this as a breaker bar. I'm gonna see if I can defrost this off without knocking the camera down or tipping the trailer over. There we go. Now I should be able to just try it. A little bit of manpower. Yeah. And now the bolt decides to turn. Let me see if I can get another socket onto that. This is crazy. Alright, give me a minute guys. Let me see if I can get this thing to come off. I love when a good plan comes together. It was just the corrosion holding it in, but I was turning it the right way. That's fine. That just tells me that I need to replace the bolt. On to the next one. Alright, now I know this is going to drop once I take that bolt out there. So let me just do a little prep and see if I can get something under there to keep that up. But put you on this side right out my way. Just don't want to give you too far to drop. Wonder if I can find something else. Alright, buddy. Make my life easy. Damn bugs. Alright. Let's go. Sounds like it. Let's see if we can just use our Wheaties. Supposed to be winter, but it's hot as hell. You just want to be dirty, don't you? Dirty girl. Corrosion. Yes, I don't need you. See if we can get this bolt to turn.